Our relationship with Golden Rule has been really great. Not only have some folks adopted from us, but they came out and met all the dogs and brought us much needed funding, so we're very appreciative. AHeinz 57 is an animal welfare organization where we rescue and rehabilitate dogs and then find them forever homes. We get dogs in that have been abused or neglected, and people don't even realize they're abusing or neglecting the dog, and it's very frustrating to make people understand that these are living things that need care and nurturing. As you work with them, you see the first tail wag, and they come up to you for the first time for a pet, and they start being the dog they were meant to be. And that's my favorite part. Sorry. I love that part. Our funding comes from your regular folks with, $25 checks here, $50 checks there. Sometimes we get bigger checks. We really rely on everyday people to keep us funded. The funding we're getting from Golden Rule goes mainly to our medical expenses every month. It's nothing for us to have about $10,000 worth of medical expenses just on core care. And then, of course, heating the buildings during the cold snaps because we have so many doggy doors.